Today we are out for an exercise to check on compliance and sensitization of farmers and various stakeholders in the entire value chain for Irish potatoes for the purposes of ensuring that compliance levels are increased or are raised because we are aware, all of us, that the government came up with regulations to ensure that the Irish potato industry is regulated.
Njoro, what we have actually been doing, we have been sensitizing farmers through various barazas on these regulations and on compliance, and also avenues such as the field days and farmers exhibitions pertaining to crop Irish potato regulation, whereby we are encouraging farmers as growers to register and also growers association.
Hii maneno ya viazi ilikuwa imetunyanyasa zaidi, lakini kwa sasa kwa hii nafasi mmetupatia 50 kilos imeanza kutusaidia kwa sasa, lakini akituongezea, tunataka tena atuongezee bei zaidi. Hii kilo 50 angetuwekea 800 ingekuwa afadhali. Hasa ingebidi brokers muongeleshe brokers ndio apimage 50 kilos kwa bag.